Welcome to AC Works, your one-stop shop for high-quality power solutions. In this video, we'll take a closer look at two different types of adapters, compact adapters and flexible adapters, and help you decide which one best suits your needs. Both compact and flexible adapters serve the same basic function. They help you connect and power your devices. However, each style has unique strengths, as well as a few trade-offs. Let's start with our compact adapters, like V adapters, barrel adapters, and compact elbow adapters with handles. These adapters feature a rigid design that keeps the male and female connections together in one piece. Because of their compact size, they're easier to transport, and many of them even include helpful features like built-in light indicators or locking rings for CS and SS250 connectors. Compact adapters are excellent for generator use, and many feature extra grip areas or handles for convenient removal. Plus, if you're tight on space in your tool bag, these adapters make storage a breeze. However, their rigid design doesn't offer extra reach, and they can be challenging to fit into cramped outlets behind appliances or in recessed walls. Next, we have our flexible adapters, often referred to as pigtails or dog bones. These feature a short cord between the male and female ends, making them more adaptable in awkward or tight spaces. Some models are even made with right-angle plugs, which are incredibly handy for outlets installed in unconventional orientations. Flexible adapters give you more options for different connector types and can solve tricky problems like upside down or oddly located outlets. Some also include circuit breakers or multiple outlets, providing extra safety and versatility. Because of the extra cord, flexible adapters can be slightly more cumbersome to store, and most do not include light indicators. Also, while they are built to be heavy duty, you want to take care not to damage the cable jacket. Both types have shared features, like the ability to extend outlets. Both help in situations where the outlet is recessed or has a lip blocking your original plug. They're both heavy duty. Both built tough to withstand regular use, whether indoors or outdoors. And they are versatile. Each comes in multiple configurations to fit a wide range of applications. So, which one is right for you? If you need a space-saving solution and prefer built-in indicators or a locking ring, go with our compact adapters. If you're dealing with tight, awkward spaces or need added length and flexibility, our flexible adapters may be your best bet. At AC Works, we're here to provide the power solutions you need, whether it's compact or flexible adapters, or even both. For more information, visit our website or reach out to our friendly team. Thanks for watching.